So now we are going to create a logo for our website, and I already found a picture which we're going to use as a logo. Of course, it's a nice teddy bear that we're going to use as a logo. What I use for making a logo is Canva. Canva is a cool website where you can make your own logo. You can make a lot of things here, like an Instagram post. You can make a Facebook post. You can make flyers. Let's see what's left. Posters, Facebook covers for your Facebook page. So you can make your own Facebook cover. That's really neat for your own page to really brand it. You can make you can create presentations, and for social media, for example, if you want to create ads for Facebook, you can do it right here with these templates here. There's a lot of things you can make here: YouTube thumbnails, infographics, business cards, resumes. There's so much you can make right here. If you have your creative mind, and if you have an idea and you are creative, you can make it here. So Canva is a great tool, and I would suggest it for making logos, because it's very easy to use, and also it's very easy to make an account here at Canva. If you would go to the home page, I will show you. This would be the home page. I already signed up. I made a Google account with my Google account. You can log in with your Google account, and if you already are logged into your Google account, it's just a couple of seconds and you're logged into Canva and you've already signed up. So it's that easy and that fast. So if we want to create a logo, we will click here on logo, and it will take us to the design area. Now, next thing we're going to do is we're going to upload a picture. I'm going to upload the picture that I found previously. I'll take this one right here. This is on the canvas right now. And what I want to do is with this picture, because this picture is already perfect for me as a logo, but I want to brand it to my store. So what I want to do is I want to add some text in this heart right here, and it will be the name of my store. And right now I'm going to look for for this font. I wanted to look further for a font, but I really like this one, so I just picked this one. And I want to change the color to white, and we can easily do that by clicking here on the color button, the text color button here, and you got the default colors right here. You can click on white. In my case, this text is not necessary, so I will delete that. And right now I want to fill in my store name here. Now this is obviously too big. You can adjust it, and I think this would, in 14, it would be very nice. And you can easily click the box here and just click your left button on the mouse, hold it, and drag it across the canvas. So I'm gonna drag it up to here, so it looks perfectly in this heart. See, cuddly bear. I love it. I love this one. Now let's see if we can find a beautiful font here. I myself, I like a little bit of a handwriting, you know, so let's see if this works out. This is pretty nice. See if there's something better in here. Who knows? And actually, there's not so much more to my liking. So I will stick with this one. And I think this is the perfect size also for this heart. I will leave it like this. And Canva is very nice because what you can do, over here you have the download button, and if you're done with your file you can simply download it here. You can download it in PNG format, which is recommended. And what I like a lot here is that you can also, if you have Canva Pro, you can select this checkbox here, and you can check this checkbox here, and you will get a transparent background. I can understand you would want that, especially if you want to create a logo, because now you have a white background, and if you would choose this transparent background, the background will be transparent. So what that means is if you would upload your logo to your website, you will only see a transparent background. You will not see a white background. And that's perfect because, for example, if your background on your website would be black, for example, and you have a logo that has a white background, that's not really a match, right? So what you would want is a transparent background. So the background will be kind of like joined with the background of your website, and you don't see the white background of the logo on that black background of your website, which is pretty ugly when we talk about design. Like I said, this is a Canva Pro feature, and right now I'm on the free plan. So what I can do, I can download this picture as a logo. See, preparing design. There it is. I can already download it. I click on OK, and the file is downloaded already. So that is how easy you can make a logo with Canva. And you can do a lot of stuff here in Canva. You can make a lot of more creations, like Facebook posts. For example, if you want to market your product, you can make a Facebook post and boost your post with Facebook ads. You can also make Instagram posts to place on your Instagram profile, of course. You can make posters, flyers. There's actually so much you can do right here, and in future videos I will go into that, but for now we created a logo for the website. If you like Canva, if you like what I just showed you, how easy it is to create a logo with Canva, you can sign up for Canva for free for first. And if you really like Canva and you like all the features in here, and it's really helpful for making Facebook posts, ads, social media posts like Instagram posts, that sort of stuff. Also helps with branding your Instagram account if you have one. So definitely would recommend Canva. And if you want to use more features, you can go for Canva Pro. You can click right here on try Canva Pro. And if you want to sign up for Canva, please use the link that we have here in the description of the video. If by clicking on that link, we will you can help us by clicking on that link, and we will be able to continue providing free courses for you in the future. So this was a video about how we could make a logo very fast, very easy with Canva, and it's time to use this logo for a website.